Welcome back to our channel, sa Ding Ang Bato. So today, I updated my MacBook Air into the new OS, the MacBook OS, which is the Big Sur. So it needs for the download file, it needs around 12 gig, almost 13 gig, but for the allowance, it needs around 15 gig to download the file, to download the update. Then for the installation, it needs almost 30 gig for that one, for the installation. So to make it short, I updated my MacBook Air, but after I updated the macOS, I found out that there is an app that the Mac could not remove by itself. So I need to manually delete that one in the library. These apps are those apps that you did not downloaded from the App Store. These are, they call it an others. So basically, when the Mac OS detect that this app is not downloaded from the App Store, so they will notify you to avoid malware on your laptop or your PC or your Mac. So yeah, it keeps on pop up. I try to some research, but I could not found any solution on that one. I tried to read some articles, blogs, watch videos, but I could not found any solution. So I decided to explore and try to yeah, I tried to explore on my laptop on how can I remove that app manually, because I could not found it in the I could not found it in the application. So I decided to try to explore. So I will teach you on how to remove it manually. So this is my problem before. So after I update my macOS into Big Sur, so that now I will teach you how to remove this app manually. So first you go to your hard drive, then click library, then from there you can find it into the bottom of the library. So with that, you can this app. So you need to remove this app. So by removing this, you will put this in the trash. So you can drag and drop this one into your trash. You can use drag and drop, or you can right click and move to trash. So after it is transferred to the trash, you need to input your password as the master password, just for notification to remove this app. So after that, you click move to trash and OK, and then voila, it will no longer pop up to your screen. So I hope it will help you after you update your Mac. So that's it. It only took 2 steps. Go to your hard drive, go to your library, and then scroll down at the bottom of your library. Drag it to your trash, or right click, then move to trash. Then thank you for watching. Until next time. Adios, amigos.